Hello, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a little while since we've done the last of the update videos. My other work has had me pulled in that direction and I haven't really had a chance. I've been doing lots of signs, but I haven't had a chance to actually stop and do a video because I've just been flying and flying and flying and flying and flying. Now that might sound really, really bad and terrible, but I absolutely love it because I earn more from flying everywhere rather than actually slowing down and taking time to make these YouTube videos, which don't earn me anything, but I like doing them, so I keep doing them. So I'm not going to do any cutting today because all I'm doing is just the signs, and if you want to see me cutting signs, you can go back and watch the previous videos. There's loads of them, or just wait till the end of this one and then click on one of the boxes and you'll be able to watch ones where we're making signs. So today what I thought I would do is I would firstly turn over the customer detail paperwork that you might just have a little glimpse of in just a minute. What I thought I would do today is I'd explain some of the updates I've done to the workshop ever since I moved in. So we put that out of the way as well. We'll come to this as well in a second. Now, one of the main things, if you go onto any of the sign, like forums, groups, anything else like that, and if you say what is the best kind of worktop around, everyone will turn around and say glass worktop. That's the one thing you want. Now obviously I've got these great big cutting boards, but I do not have glass worktops. These are 5mm thick, which is plenty enough for what I do. I don't put excess weight on them, I don't do tons of stuff in here, and they've got all of the support underneath. Now if you go and look online, if you ask a local glazier, or if you go to any of the other kind of places, they will all come back and they will give you huge great quotes for the cost of the glass. What I done was slightly a little bit different. I went onto eBay and I looked for retail display cabinets. You know, like the ones they have in the shops, where at the back of them they've got the glass sliding doors. And that's all that this is. If I bring you down, turn you around so I can see what I'm doing. There you go. So you can see in this corner I've got a hole. That's where you would have put your finger in and slid it across to open up and close it. I get this tripod out of the way. There you go. So you can see we've got the glass there, and it is fantastic. The knives don't blunt as quickly. The cut is very clean. It's a very good cut with it, and yeah, we are very impressed. We do have a joint just in the middle there, which isn't a major problem, but it actually worked out that these were the exactly right kind of size, that they stretch from at the back to just at the front. There isn't any overlap with them. So yeah, if you're after a cheap alternative to the mega expensive 10mm thick and like a safety glass and all of that lot, then that's what I would do. The rest of the unit, we just broke it up and took it down to the tip as wood to be recycled. So yeah, that's that. Now, this package, it has literally just arrived, and it is going to be for an upcoming future video. Fingers crossed. As long as it works, as long as it's all there. I got it off of eBay, and the seller told me they would post it out next working day. Now when I paid for it about 2 weeks ago, I was hoping to have it a little bit quicker than what it has actually arrived at, which is about 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this like I've done other videos in the past where I've done reviews, installation and usage guides. So you can see we've got a mat, a cutting mat and a power supply. See, it's got Graph Tech up in the corner there. And then we got a little cocoon. Well, they packed it well, which is quite good. Oh, did I tell you the story of the engraver? You might know we had the engraver from one of our earlier videos. I might leave a link to us going to get it somewhere, but I flogged it on eBay, and the guy who brought it wanted it to go via courier, and I said, yep, that's fine, you arrange your own courier, I'll get it all packaged up and done and everything else like that, but I recommend you courier it by UPS because they're good and they're quick and it isn't going to be hanging around. So he decided to use Parcel Force, which is all well and good, but then he emailed me 3 days later, says it arrived and these are the pictures of it, and legs were broken off of it and there was stuff gone. I was just like, oh, for God's sake. That was a total facepalm. Why on earth did you use Parcel Force? Just because it comes up when they put it into some of these like parcel comparison sites, they normally come up as the #1 or the easiest one that they can get to, or whatever. You know, it's just never use Parcel Force for anything that's slightly fragile, in my opinion. Right, anyway, back to this one. It is well packaged up in there. There we go. It is the Craft Robo Light by Graphtec. So that'll be an upcoming one. We'll have a look at it, see if it works, see if it's any good. Now, in much anticipation of getting this, I thought I'd order some sheets, because I know a place that does these, well, like these, they do the silhouette, which I'm aiming to try to get one for another upcoming video, and a couple of other things. So I thought I'd order in some of the sheets for them, because they make these especially for them. And I'll tell you what, I've hooked up on a new business idea. I'm going to do eBay listings like this, right? So I thought I'd order gold, because that'd come out well, and some white. I thought, brilliant. Hold on a sec. So I paid like huge mega amount for these little pieces. Well, it wasn't huge mega amount, but in comparison it was huge mega amount for little pieces. And I got this great big roll of white, which is my normal white for doing my normal stuff. So as you can see, the tape, this one, Rymark, Ritorama. So I ordered them, I got them, and I looked at them and I thought, all they are is just these ones that have been cut down. So yeah, absolute joke, but hey ho, diddly do. I can use all of the normal stuff in there, which I reckoned I could anyway, but I just thought I'd order some and just see what the big fuss was about. So anyway, that's coming up in a later video. I'm going to crack on with making some signs. It's absolutely glorious in here today. Currently it is 23 degrees, 22, 23 degrees. I can turn you around so you can see it. Yesterday it got up to 35 degrees in here, and it was lovely because I had the fans going, and oh yeah, everything was brilliant. Right, so please like, please comment, please subscribe, and until the next video, bye bye.